Here is a Vizio Smart TV, the V series. I'm going to show you how to factory reset it. First thing is go to settings. You can navigate on the TV, go to the home page, and then go to the left pane here, and then go all the way down to where it says settings, or you may have a settings button on your remote, that gear icon. Select that as well, and then we're going to go down to all settings. Right there, highlight it, okay it on the remote. Now from here on the left pane, we're going to go all the way down to support. Right there, support. And then from here, you can see reset to factory settings. So we'll go right there, select on OK. And then from here, you can reset, factory reset TV, reset only the apps, restart or cancel. We're going to go ahead and do a factory reset here. Now the TV is going to be black for a little bit, so you just have to be patient until eventually the logo, Vizio logo, will pop up. And voila, we are back in business. Pretty simple.